And excuse me, I'm one of the few broadcasters in live history that actually has the hiccups right now. So bear with me. You've had them before. Don't judge me. I didn't plan on this. But for me, it's been his putting. That's been one of his struggles over the past couple of seasons. Scared the whole of 14 and 15 as well. Having a club that's very predictable, and it's a new club. We haven't seen JT with a mini driver, but he does have more in the bag, the muscle that's really pulling. So, excuse me. So he's clearly not in form, but he's going to take, and then you work off of that. So he'll be on the range tonight after the round, hitting balls or on the putting green, kind of chipping away at the things that he's going to need to do to get ready for one of the best weeks in golf next week at the Players.